The term medium ugly, popularized on social media, refers to individuals, often men, who may not fit conventional beauty standards, but possess an appealing charm that makes them attractive to some. It emerged around 2017, gaining traction in late 2022, and is typically used to describe male celebrities or dating preferences. While it highlights an appreciation for unique attractiveness, it can also be a backhanded compliment that might hurt feelings, prompting discourse on its appropriateness. Unlike hot ugly, which describes those who are nearly conventionally attractive, medium ugly emphasizes a more unconventional appeal. The term also reflects societal beauty standards that affect men, suggesting they must adhere to specific ideals to be deemed attractive, which can reinforce negative perceptions of those who don't fit that mold.